Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book Airbnb in the Philippines. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser if you're using your laptop. All right, and then just search for airbnb.com. Okay, so just type out Airbnb and then you have this first result right here at the top. So just simply click on this one. Okay. And then you just have to sign up to your account. Then after that, as you can see right here at the top, we have this where, checked in, checked out, and who option. So let's start with the where option. Okay, so here you just have to choose the location. Okay, and then here select your schedule. Okay, so for example, here, and then after that, who will be the guest? So just one adult, and then click on search after that. All right, and then you have here the available Airbnb. So for example, this one, you just have to simply click on it, and then you'll be able to see here the price and then the details of this Airbnb. So just simply click on this reserve option. Okay, so of course you just have to log in or sign up to your account. You have to add a payment method, and then you just have to review your reservation. So you have here the total price breakdown. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.